हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आई होप सब लोग मज़े में हैं और रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं। ये मेरी रिपोर्टिंग हिस्ट्री है गाइस। ये मीना चतुर्वेदी करके एक क्रंचर है, प्लीज़ उसको फोकस। वैसे भी इसका चैनल मैंने अपने कम्युनिटी पोस्ट में डाला ही होगा सबका। बेसिकली मैं किसी भी नए क्रंचर को देखती हूँ तो मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि सबका वीडियो मैं पोस्ट में शेयर कर दूँ, कम्युनिटी पोस्ट में। ये ढाका को मैंने रिपोर्ट किया था, उसका हिस्ट्री है। वैसे वो अपने चैनल को अपने वीडियोज़ को हमेशा प्राइवेट या कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती है, अनलिस्ट वगैरह करती रहती है। फिर ये है डेली न्यू ईटिंग करके एक चैनल है, जो एक शॉप है, मतलब स्टेशनरी आइटम्स का। तो ये बच्चों को यूज़ करता है अपने चैनल पे, उनको बुलाता है कि मेरे से स्लेट पेंसिल खरीदो, मैं आपको शूट करूँगा, उनकी वीडियो शूट करता है। और बहुत ही वाहियात किस्म के वो फूड चैलेंजेस करता है। मैगी के साथ में स्लेट पेंसिल मिला के खाएगा, रसगुल्ले के साथ खाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ करता ही रहता है। प्लीज़ उसको रिपोर्ट करो। और मनीषा आर ब्लॉग्स करके भी है, मैंने इसका चैनल मोस्टली शेयर किया ही होगा। और आजकल फ़िलहाल मैं मेडूसा के ऊपर ज़्यादा रिपोर्टिंग कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्रमोट कर रही है ये सारी चीज़ें। और लिटरली उसको जब मैं देखती हूँ मुझे रियल में लगता है कि वो स्वॉलो कर रही है, लेकिन आई एम नॉट श्योर, क्योंकि इतना सारा क्वांटिटी में कोई स्वॉलो करेगा तो वो तो यमराज के पास ही जाएगा, वो ज़िंदा बचेगा नहीं, जिस हिसाब से ये अपना बताती है कि स्वॉलो कर रही है। और हाँ, मैंने इसकी एक दो चीज़ें भी पकड़ी है। ये क्या करती है ना, सेम गेम वीडियो हर एक उसमें यूज़ करती है, हर एक वीडियो में, और उसको ना फ्लिप कर देती है, राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू फ्लिप करती है। इनफैक्ट अनुप्रिया भी ऐसे ही करती है, वो भी पुरानी पुरानी वीडियोज़ को आम का थंबनेल कुछ लगा देती है, बाजू में स्टिकर लगा देती है। तो वैसे ये लोग करते रहते हैं, चीट ऐसे करते हैं। और इनके टाइटल्स, इसके टाइटल्स थोड़े अलग होते हैं, बाकियों से थोड़े अलग होते हैं इसके टाइटल्स। तो प्लीज़ इसको फोकस किया जाए। एंटरटेनमेंट व्लॉग करके एक चैनल है, उसको फोकस किया जाए। अनुप्रिया को फोकस किया जाए, ढाका को तो करना ही करना है। और अंशु करके एक है, अंशु चौहान करके एक है, उसको भी फोकस किया जाए। और तो चलिए बात शुरू करते हैं। मैंने जैसे लास्ट वीडियो में कहा था कि हम लोगों को भी ये लोग रिपोर्ट करते हैं। कुछ ऐसे यूट्यूबर्स हैं, क्रंच एडिट चैनल्स चलाते हैं ये सारे, ये लोग हम लोगों को टारगेट करते हैं, स्पेशली मेरे चैनल को, ASMR दुनिया, क्ले क्रंच फाइट और हैप्पी किड। हम लोगों को शेयर करते हैं कि इसको रिपोर्ट करो, उसको रिपोर्ट करो। तो इन लोगों को इस बात से दिक्कत हो गई है। तो चलिए, मेरा एक्चुअली ये रिप्लाई वीडियो है। आप लोग अगर चाहें तो इस रिप्लाई वीडियो को स्किप कर सकते हैं। अगर आप इन लोगों को सुनाते हुए सुनना चाहते हो तो एंजॉय कर सकते हो वीडियो को कंटिन्यू। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू रिप्लाई यू, क्रंच एडिट 1. You have shared one community post screenshot of Happy Kid. First of all, I want to tell you that you have written here that she is having miserable life and having no life, and they are consuming their time and attempting to mass report channel. So much concerned that whatever food she is eating, whether she is eating food from a street vendor who barely showers, who barely wash their hands or everything. So I want to tell you that you first of all focus on your channel. Literally you are saying that we have a miserable life and we have no life, and we are consuming our time and reporting and attempting to mass report all the crunch channels, and that is paining your stomach. So I would like to tell you, first of all, you are using content which is posted by some other content creator. You are posting their videos on your channel without their consent, and they have even tried to terminate your channel once or twice, and even terminated your channel by giving a copyright strike. So here, this is a post 6 months ago. You went on my channel when I made a video on you, when your channel was terminated. I made a video on you, and there you commented some shit, and you were accusing me that I have changed my channel's name because I am scared of getting reported by you all. So that is why I have changed my name, and that you all people are reporting us. So I hope you have read this reply. I don't have any intention to monetize my channel or gain anything about it. Even though if I monetize my channel one day, I don't think I would be able to sustain this channel. Okay, so let's start with your channel only. So you're stealing all the videos from original content creator. You're copying their videos, editing somehow, and you're putting on your channel directly. I don't think you seek any permission or any consent before putting it to your channel, right? And you're putting some titles like terrific butter grey roasted. Now, what's so terrific in this content? What's so terrific? Yeah? Can you tell me what's so terrific in this? Spectacular Nakumat crunches. Oh god. Phenomenal Nakumat bites. Outstanding red paste covered Nakumat. Oh god, your title, it sucks. It literally sucks. So 2 weeks ago you shared one community post which is posted originally by Happy Kid. First of all, she is not having a miserable life like you, because you have miserable life because you are stealing some others content, and you are literally editing it, wasting your time and efforts to edit it out and putting on your channel. And even you're habitual to get copyright strike. I think you're so much addicted and so much habitual to get copyright strike that you don't care only. And here some of the community posts by you have written down one long essay, and you're literally teaching all the crunchers how should they make a video. You literally think that any cruncher would have taken interest to read it out? You literally think? So it shows that what a low level life you have, right? And what a miserable life you're having, that you're taking out your time and writing this content and creating some guidelines, and you're acting as if you're a team leader, or maybe you're a you're a leader in crunch department and you're leader in this crunch picker community, and you're making guidelines, this lengthy guidelines, and you think that these uneducated and illiterate crunchers in our country, mostly 51% of women are anemic, and where the world is fighting against anemia, and you bullshit people are promoting this eating disorder, and you all think that it is edible. Really? Then I would not be surprised to find out that you all are packing lunch boxes of your kids in your family, and you're putting stones, and you're putting all the non-edible things, and you're putting nakumat paste in that, and you're giving to your toddler. As per your mind, we that malls and grocery stores should sell these stones and brand this as a edible clay, right? You want this to happen? No, this is not gonna happen. First, let's check Pika's community hub community post. So here she has written that we are pushing viewers to report these crunchers are under misinformation and sexual or nudity. No, have you ever found in this reporting history that when we have reported all these crunchers under sexual and nudity? Grow up, girl. Grow up. To stop these reports, I highly request you all to report these accounts back. So you have mentioned my channel ASMR Dunia, Click Crunch Fight and Happy Kids channel. Carry on and you can report all of us. We barely care about this. We barely care about it. You're posting continuous polls on your channel, and literally I feel so pity for you that nobody is going to vote you on this. Let's talk about ASMR powder to taste. This lady has literally commented on my channel 6 months ago. I have submitted your account and Click Crunch Fight account and 84 of your channel account to be permanently removed for continued harassment and bullying. Oh, really? You think that we are harassing, we are abusing you people? And what you all people are doing? You all people are promoting eating disorder, which is itself, it's a self-harm, and it is itself a self-abuse on the body. So you don't think that it is abuse, you take it as a fun, right? You take it as a fun. Let's go by the factual things. If you can see the screen, today on YouTube, crisis resource panel are currently available at the top of search related to eating disorder in US, UK, India, Canada, Japan, Korea, Mexico, France and Germany. Crisis resources panels. So the NEDA, which is National Eating Disorder Agency, which is working against eating disorder content. And also, if I talk about India level, Ventrivala Foundation is there, that is working against the eating disorder stuff. And they literally have a free helpline number available on their website in case any addict person is there, and that addict is struggling a lot due to this eating disorder thing, that person can seek help. They can call on that number and they can seek help, and it will be free of cost. A screenshot of one research paper is here. During pregnancy, if any woman is eating clay, then it will maximize chance of mental retardation, developmental delay, psychiatric disease, autism, early childhood, poor nutrition, and low level of blood of iron, low blood level of iron and other minerals. So literally it is there in the research paper. Many researches have been carried out which says that this is so harmful. And there are short-term consequences like intrauterine growth restriction, low birth weight, preterm birth, prenatal and infant mortality and morbidity, and even they can suffer from dental injuries, intestinal obstruction, toxemia, constipation, lead poisoning, parasitic infections, and hyperkalemia. So it is there in the facts. It is there in the books. During pregnancy, if any woman is eating clay, they can go through anemia, still deformed baby and whatnot. And these clowns are literally, they are arguing with us, and they are so much addicted that one user commented that she is unable to quit the habit of watching these. She is not eating clays but habitual to hear the crunch sound. So you can see the level of addiction. This user Vaishali, she is habitual to write all the timestamps. She wrote that no, I don't want to, even I am stuck in this bad habit of giving timestamp. So you can see people are so much habituated that they are struggling a lot to quit this habit. One lady was there, she wrote that she is habitual to eat 25 boxes of slate pencil in a one go. 25 to 27 boxes. Can you imagine this? Even 30 boxes of slate pencil she's eating in one go. And this is the level of addiction we are talking about. Can you think about it? And there are several government programs which are running currently in our India to eradicate this problem, like Poshan Abhiyan and Anemia Mukt Bharat, and there are so many number of initiatives which are carried out. And when I tweeted about it around 15th of May last year, one politician retweeted this. Even Poshan Abhiyan has taken this whole thing into consideration, and they are marking it as a harmful content. Even government officials are marking it as a harmful content. Then these clowns are roaming here and there, and they are barking like anything, and they are saying that we all have miserable life. Crunch Desire literally pleaded all the edit channel not to use her video, and Crunch Edit 1 is stealing the videos and putting her using her she's 24/7 concerned about her channel, and she's using the content. And even she used one video of Teru Tamin. She's taking kidney dialysis. She's going through kidney dialysis. You can easily see some bands are there in her wrist, you can easily see. Still she is using this video which is posted by Teru Tamin. So have you checked the background that why they are making crunch videos and why they are eating this stuff? First of all, I want to question all of you that if this content is so much under the community guidelines, then why they are putting fake channels, fake titles like Hara Sukhe Ped Par Hara Patta, Water Drop and what not. Why they are putting wrong titles and why they are using stickers? Can you tell me? Why they have to make 4-5 channels in a one go and they have to shift their videos one after the other? The community itself says that it's a harmful content. Even my every video is below every video you can see the box which is there to get help. In every video it is there because I'm continuously talking about this issue, so I'm getting this box which says get help. You all are saying that we have a miserable life and we have a low level of life. I would like to question all of you that what kind of quality of life you all are leading. These crunchers are making this content because they have nothing to do. They don't have any talent or they don't have any source of livelihood. This is the only single livelihood source for them. I have number of screenshots which proves that this content is harming their health. Every or the second comment I can see, they are complaining about low blood levels, low iron levels. They have to take iron infusion. Even 2-3 people reached out to me. One woman came live with me and she narrated her story that how her hemoglobin just 3 grams and she had to undergo blood transfusion on emergency basis. She could probably die another day out of heart attack because she was severely very anemic. Even Nupur has 6 grams of HB due to this practicing Pika. Every second or the third day I'm getting screenshots where people are complaining about their health issues. One person requested me, from long time she requested me, so I'm making a response on you all accounts. All these crunchers have 4 to 5 to 10 accounts at one go. They all are unsure whether their one single channel will survive or whether they will be able to sustain that channel for a longer period of time. They are so unsure about it. Everybody is getting yellow dollar. Even you, if you think that YouTube is not aware, they are fully aware of what is going on the platform. Even Instagram and Facebook, they are having separately eating disorder category to report. And that is why they are demonetizing every other crunch channel nowadays. They are demonetizing it because they are fully aware that what is going on. Instead of encouraging them to switch back to normal content and switch back to a different content, you all phones are encouraging them to make crunch videos and put their life at risk. If they contract any disease or anything, they have kidney failure or anything, would you go there and help them in hospital? Would you take care of their children? Rather than educating them on to switch back to safest content and switch back to normal content, you all clowns are encouraging them to put their life in danger. That is the level of clownery. This Teru Tamin, she is a kidney dialysis patient, still she is making crunch content. Now any one of you tell me that how would you advocate this content? I have seen her mini vlogs on Instagram where she's saying that at early morning 1 or 2 a.m. she has to rush hospital on emergency basis. Every month, twice or thrice, she has to go through painful kidney dialysis procedure. Even along with it, she is again making crunch videos. Now you answer me. I think you all 4 of you are so addicted. You all are so addicted that your brains have stopped to work. That is why you are advocating this content. At least we all are working towards betterment of the society, right? In something or the other way, we are actually doing some social work by reporting all these harmful content. I am only concerned about the India level cruncher. I don't care about international level cruncher. I don't care really. Because in our country, nearly 51% of women are anemic. And you all folks think that we have no life and we are so bored that we have nothing to do in our life. You all clowns think like that. So it is your miserable life that you are thinking that way. You have such a pathetic and dull mind that you are so engrossed with this content that you have lost all the abilities to be in your senses. हम लोग मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. नूपुर के ऊपर मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगी और ऐसे नमूने तो हमें मिलते ही रहेंगे. हमें रिपोर्ट करने से नहीं रुकना है बिकॉज हमें अपना काम करते जाना है. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय. टेक केयर.